Hello YouTube, it's your boy here Sam with another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you as usual how to make money on the internet. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a website that is called Canva that I use in my daily life to make money online and to find simple gigs, side hustles, so that I can get side income. So here is a simple gig you can do, and the first one here is social media design. Social media design can be anything like thumbnails of YouTube, it can be a post of Facebook, a post of Instagram, LinkedIn, and whatsoever. And all those templates are available for free on Canva, so you don't need to worry that I don't know how to design, I don't know how to do graphics design. This is for everyone and it's available everywhere in the world. Somalia, Kenya, Uganda, Europe, UK, everywhere, America, everywhere. And all you have to do is be available beyond the age of 18 and above. So before we get started, I want to do me a favor, subscribe to the channel so that it encourages me to create this kind of videos every day, so that we share this knowledge that I have, that I research a lot about these things. So I would be happy if you support me by subscribing and liking the video, comment. Yes, so let's kick into the video. So here it's Canva. Social media design, as I said, is anything concerning social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, even thumbnails for YouTube. As you can see here, this is a thumbnail for YouTube. You see this kind of designs, and all these designs are available on Canva. All you have to do is know how to click and press. That's all. So for example, this person here is going to say, I'll design eye-catchy clickbait YouTube thumbnail for you. A basic version, just one thumbnail, is $5. Just you designing something, click 2 minutes again, is $5. Basic contains 3 thumbnails, and then premium is 6 thumbnails for $20. This one here is 10, but still is very high, and this person has already sold over 700 times. Let's say if someone bought all these ones of $10 times 10, that is $7,000, 800, which is a very amazing amount. $7,000. So how do you do this? All you have to do, log into Canva. Is a free website for you to use. I showcased how to use it in my video. All you have to do is go to my videos. I showed you everything about Canva. All you need to know is know how to click, know how to think. So here we go. The videos are here. I have so many videos here. So all you have to do is go to my website, go to my channel, then you'll be able to view all the videos I have here. So some of them are here. You see here, typing jobs, where I got started, like every job, every kind of tutorial I have here. Just do the one that you think is best for you, that you can manage. Canva is right here, tutorial. So really, if you don't mind, leave a comment, leave a subscribe for me. So let's continue with our channel, our website, our video. So like and comment here. So you click here, select thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail takes you here. It will bring you options here. You see this templates, press templates. It will bring you a bunch of them. Just click on one and it will appear on the screen. Yeah, if you need to change things here, all you have to do is press on the color you want to change, then come to this option, press it. I'm not going to do a bunch of them, but I did a tutorial about Canva in my channel, so just feel free to go and check it out. So this is how you can change these things easily. It's not really so hard. It's not very hard. It's not. So that's how. So if you're satisfied with what you've done, come to share, then download and select the type of file you want to download. I like downloading this one. Press download and your file will come to your computer that you can share with your client. So this is how it looks like. You see, that is, you're done. So all you have to do is email your client with that file that you've just downloaded, and they will be happy with you. Then the other one is this one here, social media marketing. There are a bunch of them here. I will be your Facebook, Instagram manager. It's so easy to do a Facebook. All you have to do is you need a smartphone, yeah, and every country allows Facebook. So I don't really see a big deal here. They're not starting to work, yeah. So number one, you have to, don't tell yourself that you don't know something. You know everything. I'm going to just be quick here. One thing I don't want to just show you things, then you be like, oh, you're just teaching us these things because you want views. I don't. I want you to be able to practice whatever I've taught you here and succeed. Then also you see here, I will manage social media. Like all this is social media marketing. Look at this, and let me show you again what you can do here. Go to create on Canva, put in Facebook, type in Facebook on the search bar, Facebook. Yeah, then they'll bring a bunch of things all about Facebook. Cover, post, let's say post. You can select a templates that you like, that you feel like the client will like according to what he has described to you that he wants, that he's doing. And then you request photos of them. You just replace them with the photos that are here, or just put in stock photos, something like this. Boom. If you put in something like this, check that. See, very nice. Look at this again here. Very nice. It will going to load. It's just loading, but all you have to do is press. See that? That is the power of Canva. I don't know what else I can tell you there. Then the other option for you is language translation. This person here, $5, $10, $5, and this $5 is just the lowest amount these people are getting, are charging those people that who want the work. You see, $20 translation. How do you do translation? It's very easy. Come to Google here, then you say translate. Just search here, translate. When you search that translate, you see here the first thing here that you see here, you can select the language. See, there are so many languages that Google has here. All of them are here, that you can just paste the content that you want to translate here. Google will automatically detect. Then choose the language that you want it to translate to. Just type in there English, it will come. Spanish, it will come. So anything, it will come there. And down, just creating, you just need the Word document on your computer open, copy everything that is there, paste it, yeah, on your Word document, and you'll be ready to go. Yeah, so that is it. Translation. How much do these people charge for translation? $5, 25, 15, 165. So the earning potential in this website is high. And then you have here transcription. This one, you know about it, where you translate a video into a text or audio into text using computer softwares, internet-based softwares, or just using your own brain. So if you've been following my videos, you know what I'm talking about. And for transcription, it's $5, $30, $5, $25. It's all this. You see this. So all you have to do, create an account, to sign up for free using an email address and post all these jobs that you can do in there and stand a potential of becoming your own boss. Yeah, so there are so many more other things. Website content, it's so easy to do content. So here again, you see here 125. This person has sold 220. Very awesome. 15. It's so easy to write content in a website. Yeah, please, let's apply for these jobs. Then here, logo design, Canva again, logo design, you see. 15. Logo design, let me show you again logo design. I won't get tired of showing you these things. Just type in logo. Type in logo. Press it. And it'll take you to this website, this link. Yes, so all you have to do is know how to click and press. So I'm here, so all I have to do is press in the logo I like. Let's I like this one. You can change the colors to your own liking. It really doesn't matter. I messed this one up. Don't know really why, but that is how I do it. I just click on the thing, it appears on the other side, and you're good to go. Yeah, download the file and just present it to your client, and you'll be good to go. So my friends, let's apply for these jobs. Let's apply for Canva work. If you're not doing Canva, please start doing it. If you're not doing anything, you want money. If you want to earn money, start doing Canva. Start doing my videos that I show you every day. I love you guys. Help by subscribing. This is the end of the video. Tune in for the next video. I love you again.